Welcome to Kimberly's Kitchen. Today we will be making coconut shrimp salad. I'm having guests over, so there's lots to make. Go ahead and ignore my steak on the side. Okay, these are the ingredients you will need. Fish sauce, coconut cream, fresh shrimp, cherry tomatoes, roasted peanuts. You see here sugar, sliced red onions, and Kaffir lime leaves. Of course, a lime. Okay, so once again, just ignore my steak. Okay, I'm using a very deep dish to mix, as you can see here. But first, I'm gonna have to crush the roasted peanut. So I'm just gonna quickly give it a few smash in a Ziploc bag. You don't want it too fine because you want that crunch in the salad. So I think this will do. Yeah. This will do it. Okay, so I have here some cherry tomatoes which I pre-cut in half. Toss that in. This is my Kaffir lime leaves which I picked from my backyard. If you can find it in the Asian market, you want to slice it nice and fine. Followed by some thinly sliced red onion. And yeah, that should do it. Okay. Now I'm going to toss in my pre-blanched fresh shrimp. And then I'm gonna also pinch out a few sprigs of cilantro. I love cilantro. Okay, there you go. Now, to prep my lime juice, I think this lime's a little hard, so I'm just gonna give it a little pressure as I roll it to squeeze out all the juice the lime can possibly give me. I think I will probably need about only half of this lime, so I'm gonna set that aside for now. Okay, so here's the coconut cream. I'm gonna add in about 2 tablespoons. I prefer the coconut cream over milk because you don't want your salad to be watered down. I'm now gonna add some fish sauce and sugar. By the way, the measurements in the recipe below. So I'm just gonna guide you through how I make this for the time being. Now I'm gonna squeeze in the lime juice. And then, if you like it spicy, I recommend toss in the chili flakes. It's also beautifully colored as well. So mix that all up. Simple, right? Okay, oh, this tomato didn't split in half. Okay, so there it is. Just give it a quick mix and then transfer that into another plate to present or serve. Okay. Now what we're going to do after you transfer it over is I'm going to garnish it with the Kaffir lime leaves, which I finely sliced nice and thin, and some of the crushed peanuts that we just crushed earlier. There you go. This is a great appetizer salad, by the way. You're gonna love it. So if you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like below. So enjoy!